DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. The Pocket Cinema revolution begins. Ever felt like your phone camera fights you during golden hour adventures? Shaky clips, muffled audio, and missed moments piling up? You're not alone. Drop a comment with your biggest filming frustration. I've been there too. What if one pocket-sized gadget could flip your entire creative game? Let's fix this together. Deadlines looming while your gear drains battery faster than your willpower? Burnout creeps in when tech complicates simple stories. Imagine capturing buttery-smooth footage while chasing street performers or filming kids' birthday chaos. No tripod setup, no stress. What if your tools actually freed you instead of chaining you to editing hell? That dream's closer than you think. Meet the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, your new secret weapon. That massive 1-inch sensor devours low-light scenes like a pro DSLR, while 4K at 120 FPS slow motion turns coffee spills into cinematic magic. The 3-axis gimbal laughs at bumpy sidewalks, perfect for hiking vlogs or dancing in your kitchen. Remember Maya, the travel creator? She filmed a Tokyo rainstorm handheld. Her followers thought it was studio shot. One filmmaker whispered, "Active Track 6.0 followed me through a crowded market like a trained cinematographer." Even audio impresses. The included DJI Mic 2 kills wind noise during beach shoots. And that rotating touchscreen? Frame vertical TikToks without contortions. Stick around, I'll reveal a hidden button combo at the end that unlocks instant cinematic filters. This isn't just an upgrade, it's your creative jailbreak. Why are 50,000 plus creators obsessed? Efficiency, focus, jaw-dropping results. No more wrestling gimbals, power on via the screen and shoot in seconds. That 1-inch sensor captures sunsets with film-like depth, while D-Log-M color grading gives editors 1 billion shades to sculpt mood. Hear what matters. I shot my entire documentary B-roll with this, shares award-winning director Leo Chen. It blended seamlessly with my 5K cinema camera footage. Audio? Wedding videographer Priya saved vows drowned by traffic thanks to the Mic 2's backup recording. Reel user Alex raves. My Reels engagement tripled overnight. The vertical mode is pure witchcraft. Analysts call it the smartest bundle of 2024, combining camera, gimbal, and mic at half the cost of separate gear. The 166-minute battery life outlasts all-day festivals, and the pocket-friendly size means you'll actually use it. Which feature would save your sanity? The hyperlapse magic, the whisper quiet stabilization, or the fact it fits beside your keys? Comment "Pocket" below if you're done with shaky footage, and I'll DM my favorite sunset preset. This isn't gear, it's your unfair advantage. Don't wait. Bundles sell out weekly as creators upgrade. Join 50K plus filmmakers who transformed their storytelling. Limited stock alert, that perfect golden hour clip won't film itself. Click now to secure your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo and unlock my exclusive pro tip. Use the included wide-angle lens for breathtaking establishing shots that hook viewers in 3 seconds flat. Transform your content today before the next viral moment passes you by.